In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your tax return on TurboTax. This process is simple and straightforward, and it will allow you to keep a record of your tax filings for future reference or any necessary auditing. Whether you need it for personal use or to provide it for official purposes, downloading your tax return is an essential step in managing your financial documents. First, you'll want to head over to the TurboTax online platform for the year 2005. You can access this by opening your web browser and typing in the TurboTax URL, or simply clicking the link if you have it bookmarked. Once there, log into your account using your secure credentials. Remember, keeping your login details private is crucial for the security of your sensitive financial information. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Tax Home section. This is your main hub within the TurboTax platform and provides an overview of your tax-related activities. Here you can find various tools and options related to your tax filings. Look for the section labeled Tax Returns and Docs. This area is specifically designed to store all your tax documents in one convenient location. Within the Tax Returns and Docs section, you'll see a list of all the tax years for which you have filed returns through TurboTax. It's important to select the correct year for the tax return you wish to download. This ensures that you're accessing the right document, especially if you've been using TurboTax for several years. Once you've selected the desired year, you will see an option to download the document. Go ahead and click on the Download button. This action will start the download process, and the file will be saved on your computer, typically in your default download folder unless you've specified a different location. Make sure to check the downloaded file to ensure it was saved correctly and is accessible. It's always a good idea to back up this document in a secure location, such as an external hard drive or a cloud storage service, to prevent loss in case of computer malfunctions. And that's it! By following these steps, you can easily download your tax return from TurboTax. Having a digital copy of your tax return is incredibly useful for future financial planning, loan applications, or simply for your personal records. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your tax documents online. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out to TurboTax's customer support for more detailed help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.